You feel it, don't you? That gut-wrenching feeling when you know what you should be doing, but you just can't. You're stuck. And it's not laziness, it's a trap. And I found the key to escape it. We are all wired for instant gratification. Our phones, endless content, quick hits of pleasure, every notification, every mindless scroll, it's a teeny reward. And our brains, they love teeny reward. When it comes to deep work, to the real stuff that builds your future, that's slow, it's hard, it's delayed gratification. Your brain says, nah, let's scroll TikTok for another hour. You tell yourself, I will do it later, but later never comes. This isn't a lack of discipline, it's a dopamine addiction. I hit rock bottom with this. My business was stagnating. My biggest project, just ideas in Notion per document. I would wake up with grand plan, only to find myself 3 hours deep into YouTube rabbit holes by midday. The worst part, the self-loathing. I felt like a fraud. I knew all the productivity hacks, all the mindset tricks, but nothing stuck. It was like I was physically incapable of focusing. Then I stumbled onto something called dopamine fasting. And honestly, at first it sounded insane. Cut out all my comfort, no music, no Netflix, no social media, no junk food for a week. My immediate thought was, who does that? But I was desperate. I was losing more than time. I was losing belief in myself. For 7 days, I committed. What happened next wasn't easy, but it was a revolutionary. Dopamine fasting isn't about suffering, it's about recalibration. It's about resetting your brain baseline for pleasure. When you starve your brain of those easy hits, suddenly boring things become interesting, work becomes engaging. Here's the 7-day protocol I used and how you can apply it. The first one, eliminate instant pleasure, or you can say the hard reset. For 7 days, cut out all non essential dopamine triggers. This means no social media, no Netflix, no YouTube, unless for essential learning, no video games, no junk food, no pornography, no excessive music, even limit casual conversation. Sounds brutal? It is. For the first 2-3 days, you feel restless, bored, even irritable. That's your brain protesting. Push through it. The second one is embrace productive boredom. In the void left by this distraction, fill it with high value, low stimulation activities. Think reading physical books, long walks in nature, journaling, meditation, deep work on your most important projects. These are activities that require effort but provide true satisfaction and growth. And the third one is reintroduce mindfully, or you can say the recalibration. After 7 days, slowly reintroduce pleasure. But here's the key, treat them like reward, not defaults. Only after you complete your most important deep work session. Then maybe allow yourself 30 minutes of intentional social media or one episode of a show. The goal isn't elimination forever. It's a control. It's a making your brain work for its reward. And the fourth is the result we get from this. The result, by day 4 or 5, I felt a shift. The intense urge to check my phone faded. My mind felt clearer. I started tackling tasks I would put off for months, not because I forced myself, but because the resistance was gone. My brain was no longer screaming for cheap dopamine. It was ready for the deeper, more meaningful rewards of accomplishment. This isn't just about discipline, it's about taking back control of your attention. It's about hacking your own psychology to make deep work, to make growth not just possible but desirable. Stop letting your brain dictate your potential. Fast your dopamine, master your mind, master your future.